Oh. Hello, this is Sal with Cucina Napolitano Show. Cooking with my family. We're making croquettes. Man, my nephew's home. This is Ariana. And that's Luna. And this is my nephew's kitchen. That's my nephew. That's my sister Alessandra. And that's Stuffy.
Is this Cucina Napolitano?
This is Cucina Napolitano Show.
Flour.
We're live.
Egg. Breadcrumbs.
See? She is the master chef of the Rosas. Even though somebody...
I only do the frying. That's it. Nothing more.
Oh, and it looks like you're ready to do frying already.
Yeah. As soon as they start popping out the croquettes, I'll fry them up.
All right. And please subscribe. That's my short.